Alright guys, well it is a chilly morning today. It's about 56 degrees right now. About 8 a.m. Waiting on Jenny to get here after dropping our daughter off at school, and we're about ready to head out and haul just a 35 pot string that I set on some new ground. So we're going to go out there, we're going to run that, see what it looks like. If that's good, then we're going to move all the gear over to that area. Alright guys, as soon as Jenny gets here, we'll be heading out. There ain't nobody here this morning. I'd be surprised if the skis open up. I mean, it's light winds, good for parasail, but too cold, so I don't even know if anybody's going to open up today. We'll see when we get back to the dock. For those of you that may have heard about John Pass and the sand that keeps coming in, here's a perfect example of it. You can see how this sandbar, by the weight, has moved almost all the way into the channel. Some of the larger boats have to go outside the channel sometimes to get out. We're at low tide now. We just came through the channel, and in the middle it was 5 feet deep. So when you hear people talking about this sand coming in could close down the pass, that's it right there. It's going to get too shallow for the larger boats to get in and out. I got little riders on all of these. There's a little guy. Let's take a look. What do we got there? Alright, there we go. A few crabs and a lot of mud. Alright, well, we are getting solid numbers. Not big numbers, but solid. octopus.
Son of a bitch.
He's in here.
He just had that claw in his mouth.
Eating
sucking
that
away
claw.
on it.
Look at him down there, trying to hide up in the corners.
Bad boy. You go to Asian market.
Right? We send you to Chinese pocket. So yeah, so I was watching one of these guys I follow, Mike D. He's over on the East Coast, Jetty Rocks Fishing. He just did a catch and clean cook up with an octopus. I think I'm getting close to trying that. Obviously not today. Trying to get time and get work done. But
look at him. He's still got.
Look, he's still got a little guy there. Bye bye.
And ink.
There's some ink. All right. All right, guys. So we just finished hauling for about 3 hours. This weather's turning a little bit, getting cold. It's not like it's really rough, but you know, it's no fun out here. Plus, we're having a crappy day. We have run through about 40, 45 pots, and we've only got one little bucket there, maybe 25 pounds. I don't know, something like that. Usually it's about 23, 25 pounds a bucket, depending on how heavy, how many floaters. Anyway, guys, so yeah, kind of a crummy day today. The gear that we have now, we have to move. We don't really have time today to move all our gear, so we're gonna head and call it a quits for the day. Head in and probably come back out here tomorrow and move some gear around. All right, guys, so we have hit 100 subscribers. We did that actually at the beginning of the season. We just haven't got around to picking the winner for 100 subscriber for our Stone Bait Crabbing giveaway, which will include a performance shirt, stone crab claw keychain, some stickers, some things like that. So if you want to be entered for the 100 subscriber giveaway, put a comment down below in this video. We'll randomly pick one of the comments to be the winner. We'll let you guys know on a future video who's going to get that little Stone Bait Crabbing gift pack. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the notification bell too. I don't ever say that nowhere near enough. But please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends about us. We're really trying to spread the word with Stone Bait Crabbing. Again, guys, we appreciate every one of you guys watching. And we'll see you guys next time.